Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple radish pickle. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of radishes, 1/2 cup each of white vinegar and water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also add spices like peppercorns or dill seeds for extra flavor. This easy recipe is perfect for beginners and yields a delicious, tangy treat. Now let's prepare the radishes. Start by washing them well to remove any dirt. Then trim off the green tops and the root ends. Slice each radish into thin, uniform rounds, ideally about 1/8 inch thick. Consistency in slicing helps them pickle evenly. You can use a sharp knife or a mandolin for this step. Next, we'll make the pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. It's important not to boil the brine, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pack your sliced radishes into a clean, heat-safe jar. Pour the warm brine over the radishes, making sure they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Once cool, refrigerate your radish pickles for at least 24 hours before serving for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.